Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Look at the window outside, it's very hot. Anyway, today is Sunday. It's a family day. I just want to have a great weekend and enjoy your day together with your family because Sunday is a family day. It's a church day also, and usually in the Philippines the day that they are going to church is Sunday. And look at the outside, very hot the sun. See, the sun outside is so hot on top of the building. Our neighbor, very hot to see. The weather here is the summer temperature is started already. Cannot stay outside for long because of the hot temperature. If you're gonna put egg in the road or in the highway, the egg will cook because of the hot temperature. It's not good to stay outdoor. It's better to stay indoor if you're doing something. No, it's dangerous for heat stroke because of the hot temperature. Anyway guys, how many days more and end of May. Anyway, this starting tomorrow, it's holiday here in UAE. Eid al-Adha, big holiday. In Arabic in Muslim. They have a holiday in government employee. The whole week of this week is holiday. But the private sector is starting Tuesday their holiday up to Friday. Anyway guys, I just want to ask you how was your day and how was your weekend anyway. Yesterday is my day off, but I'm busy in church and also in our CG meeting. Every Saturday, I'm busy in church because I'm a volunteer in our church. We have CG meeting after lunch, afternoon, and at night, my schedule to volunteer in our church. Instead of roaming around the mall, I spend my free time in church, serving God through our church, Every Nation Church. That's the only way I can thank you, God, for all the goodness of God into my life. For so many struggle, trials, hardship that I encounter, and I survive. By the help and grace of God, I survive all that. God is using other people to help me survive all the hardship, trial, and struggle in life. Anyway, this time, what I pray to God is about my career, because I don't have a clear vision yet. My work contract here is gonna finish this coming August. And I tried to apply work in other country, but because of my age, always rejected my application. And there is some accepting me, but I need to pay big amount of money. I don't have money to pay for that. No budget to pay for that. I try to apply here also. The salary offer is very small. You know, if you rented a house, and the rent of the house is very expensive, and your food, transportation, payment of accommodation, you had that. And some company there, they want to hire the people who has their own visa. I don't have money to pay for the visa, for my own visa. I need to the work that they can provide visa for me. Anyway, I pray to God. What is the plan of God into my life? Let the will of God be done. What is the plan of God? I accept it wholeheartedly, because I know what is the plan of God is. That's for my own good. Wherever I go, God is always with me. He won't leave me and He won't forsake me. Ever since I was a kid, I survived for all the struggles, hardship, all the trials I'm facing in life since I was a kid until now. Anyway, that's all guys. Enjoy your weekend, and I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family, because the family is the most important gift from God. To have a family. Me, I don't have family anymore. I don't have parents anymore. I have siblings, but you know, I am not close to my sibling because we did not grow up together. I left home when I was only 14 years old. Until now, I start working at the time, and until now, I'm already almost 50. This coming September, I'm gonna be 50. Anyway, that's all guys, and have a nice day everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.